Hey! Do you want to fill up your Quick Connect sparkling cylinders by yourself? Save time, save money. Say goodbye to individual cylinder exchanges. This is what you're looking for. This adapter is connected to your cylinder and couples to a gas bottle by using the connector you see. Both parts become the QC adapter. The installation process is quick and easy. The connector will be screwed onto the valve of the standard CO2 gas bottle and tightened gently. Done! Thanks to the RPV option, the QC adapter is fully compatible with all gas bottle valves. Additionally, as you save time and money, you'll have a stock of 20-cylinder refills at home. Choose an eco-friendly alternative and skip individual cylinder exchanges at the store or online. Okay, let's begin. Connect the empty cylinder to the gas bottle using the quick coupling. Open the valve of the gas bottle to transfer carbon dioxide into your canister. Now, close the valve and release the residual pressure. The canister valve is now closed and the connection is free of pressure. All right, next, unlock the quick coupling and take off your cylinder. Finally, remove the adapter from your cylinder valve. The canister is now filled up and ready to use. Wasn't that easy? Let's check this out. Empty cylinder on the left, filled cylinder on the right. Your carbonation cylinder is now completely filled and ready to fizz up your drink. Yeah, nice. Ready to purchase? Place your order today. www.co2-adapter.com